Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will talk about interface in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now, let us understand interface in Java with help of this program. Now let us see how we can declare an interface. So in order to declare an interface, what we need to do is instead of our class keyword, we need to write the interface keyword, right? And then we have this interface body. So declaring an interface is very easy, right? Next thing you can notice is that, inside the body of the interface, we have this integer variable speed. And below that, we have our run method. And you can notice one thing that, this method run resembles the abstract method, which we have already seen in our abstract class video, right? So we can tell that this is an abstract method because it does not contain any method body. So this is a basic structure of an interface. So three things that you must have noted till now is that you can declare your interface by using the interface keyword. And inside the body of an interface, we can have an variable and an abstract method, right? Now, next thing that we can see is the use of this implements keyword. So in Java, whenever we want to extend or use an interface, we need to write the implements keyword. We cannot write the extends keyword similar to our abstract class, right? So we need to call the interface using the implements keyword. And inside the class, what I have done is I have, overridden the run method, right? So I have created the implementation of the run method in our adult class and the child class. So, in adult class, we will be printing adult is running, and in the child class, we will be printing child is running, right? So now let me compile the program and let us see what the output is. But before that, let me change the spelling mistake. So instead of println, I have written something else, println, and let me change it over here as well, println. Now let me save this and run this. Now let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And as you see, we have the output, adult is running, child is running, right? Now let us talk a little bit more about interfaces in Java. So first thing that you need to know is that by default, all the variables in an interface is public, static and final. So that means implicitly your signature is something like this, public, static and final. So what it simply means is that, I can directly call the variable using the name of an interface, right? So now if I, just print the statement, let me copy this and let me paste it. And now what I'll do is I'll print the variable speed. So if I want to call the variable speed, I just need to use the name of an interface, runner dot speed, right? And now I can access the variable, right? So let me save this and run this. Now let me run the program. And as you see, we have the output as adult is running, child is running, and below that we have the output of variable speed, which is 23, right? Now, as you know that any variable inside the interface is final, so you cannot reassign the value. So if I try to do something like this, runner.speed equals to 24, and if I run this, I'll get the compilation error stating that this variable is final. All right. So if I compile this, I'll get the compilation error. And you see, we have the error, cannot assign a value to final variable speed, right? Next thing that you need to know is that methods in an interface are abstract methods, and they have the signature something like this, public, abstract, right? So that's the reason while overriding this method run, we use the keyword public because it contains the access modifier public. And if I remove this public access modifier, then I'll get the compilation error. So let me show you this. Now let me compile the program. And here you can see we have the compilation error, this attempting to assign weaker access privileges and was public. All right. Now let us understand the purpose of using an interface. So interface enable multiple classes to support a common set of behavior. So in this class adult, we have this, behavior which is a run, and similarly in our child class. So, whenever we want to, assign a specific or a common behavior to multiple classes, then we use this interface. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.